This is my second devlog of this year. I am participating in the Game a Month challenge, and February has seen some success. I have fully completed my game for this month, Polynomial Land, which is much better than last time. This game's guiding mechanic is that the world is generated according to functions drawing lines, as if you could walk around your calculus textbook. Here, you can see an early prototype of when I first got the line generation working. I'm actually amazed it isn't laggy, as there are at least 50 box colliders per line and they are being drawn quite quickly. The menu is not very appealing and made of rushed programmer art. In fact, all the UI in this game is pretty weak, and the resolution is frustratingly poor, though I don't know why. Despite that, it is a playable game. Let's go over what I did to make it. I decided to make the player a ball because then I wouldn't have to make any animations for it or worry about its orientation relative to the line. This made the player controller a whole lot easier to make, and instead of using raycasts to see if the player was on the ground, I could draw a physics overlap circle about its center, which was much more reliable. A lot of scripting went into this game, and the graph generator is quite complicated for me. I'm very proud of it. This is by far one of the biggest games that I've ever made, and while it lacks polish, I'm still very proud of it. The goal of the game is to reach the button on the back of a flying battleship. Your score is how long it took you to get there. Hazards along the way include the line being destroyed behind you, laser towers which stun you, and bombs which stun you. I'm not really sure how I feel about the stun mechanics, and wish that I tried to add a health system. Unfortunately, there simply wasn't enough time for that. If you want to, the game can be played in your web browser on itch.io, linked in the description. I hope that you guys check it out. I'd love to get some feedback. I probably won't be updating this game, as I need to start working on March's Game of the Month game. Maybe an idle game? But I would use it as a learning experience on what to do in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and check out the game. See you next month.